তোমরা এখন দেখছো আমার চ্যানেল লার্ন উইথ সায়েন্স গাইড। আমি তোমাদেরকে আজকে একটি স্যাম্পল পেপার জেনপার বায়োলজি বিষয়ের উপর একটি আলোচনা করব। সামনেই এক্সাম, আর মাত্র হাতে 10 দিন। এই 10 দিনের মধ্যে নিজেকে কীভাবে প্রিপারেশন করাবে সেই নিয়েও আলোচনা করব। চলো ভিডিওটি শুরু করা যাক। Double fertilization is exhibited by angiosperm. Which of the following are found in extreme saline conditions? Archaebacteria. Select the mistake. এখানে এ সি আর ডি তিনটাই সঠিক আছে, বি নম্বরটা মিস্টেক। রাইডোস্পাইরিলাম আর মাইক্রোরাজা এই লিঙ্কটা ভুল আছে। What is the situation of DNA fragment movement of agarose gel during gel electrophoresis? এটা হবে বি নম্বর। The smaller the fragment size, the further it moves. Attraction and rewards are required for entomophily. Which of the following is made up of dead cell? Phloem. Which cell is crypts of liver cone secrete antibacterial lysosome? Taneth cell. Adult humans RBC are excluded. Which of the following statement is are correct? Most appropriate explanation for this feature. এখানে বলছে they do not need to reproduce, they are somatic cell, they do not metabolize, all their internal shape is available for oxygen transport. এখানে অপশন ঠিক হবে only 4. The hepatic portal vein drains blood to liver from intestine. The final proof for DNA as the genetic material came from the experiment of এটা হবে অপশন বি Hershey and Chase. Which among the following are smallest living cell known without a definite cell wall, pathogenic to plant as well as animal and can survive without oxygen? এটা হবে mycoplasma. Which of the following option gives the correct sequence of event during meiosis? এখানে হবে বি নম্বর condensation, nuclear membrane disassembly, arrangement at quarter centromere division, segregation, telophase. Which one of the following statement is correct with reference of enzyme? এখানে হবে বি নম্বর holoenzyme equal to apoenzyme plus coenzyme. During DNA replication, Okazaki fragments are used to elongate. এখানে হবে অপশন ডি the larging stand away from the replication fork. Which of the following are not polymeric? এখানে হবে lipids. The region of biosphere reserve which is legally protected and where no human activity is allowed is known as core zone. গাইস তোমাদের ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকলে লাইক অ্যান্ড শেয়ার করবে। পরে প্রশ্ন চলে যাচ্ছি। এ ডায়োসিয়াস ফ্লাওয়ারিং প্ল্যান্টস প্রিভেন্টস বোথ হবে এখানে বোথ অটোগ্যামি অ্যান্ড গেইটেনোগ্যামি। আর টেম্পোরারি encoding gland in the human body is corpus luteum. Match the following sexually transmitted disease with their causative agent and select the correct option. এখানে হবে এ, অপশন নম্বর এ, মানে গনোরিয়া এর সাথে হবে নেসিউরিয়া, সিফিলিসের সাথে হবে টেরোপোনিমা, জেনিটাল ওয়ার্ডসের সাথে হবে হিউম্যান প্যাপিলোম ভাইরাস, আর এইডসের সঙ্গে HIV. Transplantation of tissue organ fails often due to non-acceptance by the patient body. Which type of immunoresponse is responsible for such rejection? এখানে হবে অপশন বি, সেল মেডিয়েটেড ইমিউনোরেসপন্স। Spliceosomes are not found, এখানে কিন্তু আর নট ফাউন্ড ইন সেল অফ বলছে, এখানে সেল অফ হবে ব্যাকটেরিয়া। অ্যান এক্সাম্পল অফ colonical algae is number. An example of colonical algae is Volvox. Which of the following represents order of horse? Perissodactyla. Which of the following cell organelles is responsible for extracting energy from carbohydrate from ATP? এটা হবে মাইটোকন্ড্রিয়া। The process of separation and purification of expressed protein before marketing is called downstream processing. Mycorrhiza are the example of mutualism. চলে যাচ্ছি পরের কোশ্চেনে। ভাইরয়েডস ডিফার ফ্রম ভাইরাস ইন হ্যাভিং, এখানে অপশন ডি, RNA molecules without protein coat. Root hairs develop from the region of maturation. Coconut fruit is drupe. Plant which produce characteristics phytoanomophore and show vivipary belongs to halophytes. Which one of the following is related to ex situ conservation of treated animals or plants? Wildlife safari parks. Select the mistake. এখানে অপশনে হবে পিনাস ডায়োসিয়াস, পিনাস হলো মোনোসিয়াস। হুইচ অফ দ্য ফলোয়িং ফ্যাসিলিটিস ওপেনিং অফ স্ট্রোমাটাল অ্যাপারেচার? এখানে হবে অপশন সি, রেডিয়াল ওরিটেশন অফ সেলুলোজ মাইক্রোফিলস microfibrils in the cell wall of gut cell. The association of histone H1 with a nucleosome indicate option C, the DNA is considered into the chromatin fiber. DNA fragments are negatively charged. Capacitation occur in female reproductive tract. Which ecosystem has the maximum biomass? Forest ecosystem. আমার সকল বন্ধুরা ভিডিওটি যদি ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব এবং শেয়ার করতে থাকো। আর disease caused by the autosomal primary non-disjunction is, এটা হয়তো সবাই জানো, ডাউন সিনড্রোম। লাইফ সাইকেল of ectocarpus and ficus respectively are হ্যালো ডিপ্লন্টিক অ্যান্ড ডিপ্লন্টিক, মানে একটোকার্পাসের জন্য হবে হ্যাপ্লোডিপ্লন্টিক আর ফিকাসের জন্য হবে ডিপ্লন্টিক। In there are 999 base in the RNA that codes for a protein with 333 amino acid, and the base at position 901 is deleted such that the length of the RNA becomes 998 base. How many codons will be altered? 33. The pivot joint between atlas and axis is a type of synovial joint. A gene whose expression helps to identify transformate cell is known as selectable marker. Presents the plant arranged into well defined vertical layers depending on their height can be seen in tropical rainforest. The genotype of a husband and wife are IA and IB and IAI. Among the blood types of their children, how many different genotype and phenotype are possible? এখানে option 3, 4 genotypes and 3 phenotypes. Zygotic meiosis is characteristics of Chlamydomonas. Which of the following correctly match for the product produced by them? এখানে option D. Frog's heart when taken out of the body continue to beat for someone. Select the best option from the following sentence. এখানে কি কি দেওয়া আছে অপশনগুলো দেখে নিই। Frog are poikilotham. Frog does not have any coronary circulation. Heart is myogenic nature. Heart is auto-excitable. এখানে অপশন ডি নম্বর হবে 3 ও 4 উভয়ই ঠিক। পিডিএফটা একটু আবছা আবছা হয়ে গেছে, বুঝতে হয়তো একটু অসুবিধা হচ্ছে, আমি তাও ক্লিয়ার করার চেষ্টা করছি। তোমরা একটু মানে মিন 480pতে এই ভিডিওটা দেখবে, তাহলে তোমরা ক্লিয়ার বুঝতে পারবে। হুইচ স্টেটমেন্ট ইজ রং ফর ক্রেস সাইকেল? ডি নম্বর। The cycle starts with condensation of acetyl group acetyl CoA with pyruvic acid to yield citric acid. In case of poriferans, the spongocoel is lined with phagellated cell called choanocytes. Which of the following RNAs should be must abundant in animal cell? rRNA. Which among these the correct combination of aquatic mammals? Whales, dolphins and seal. With reference to factors affecting the rate of photosynthesis, which of the following statement is not correct? এখানে অপশন সি C3 plants respond to higher temperature with enhanced photosynthesis while C4 plants have much lower temperature optimum. Azimuthal is logistic growth curve is obtained when k equal to n. Out of x pairs of ribs in human only y pairs are true ribs. Select the option that correctly represents value of x and y are provided their explanation. এখানে হবে অপশন এ x equal to 12 y equal to 7. Two ribs are attached dorsally to ventral column or ventrally to the sternum. গাইস তোমরা ভিডিওটিকে লাইক এবং শেয়ার করো তোমাদের বন্ধুদের কাছে। The DNA fragment separated on a agarose gel can be visualized after staining with ethidium bromide. Functional megaspore in an angiosperm develops into embryo sac. Among the following characters, which one was not considered by Mendel in his experiment on P? এখানে অপশন বি trichromes, granular or non-granular. Lungs are made up of air-filled sac. The alveoli, they do not collapse even after forceful expiration because of residual volume. GnRH, a hypothalamic hormone needed in reproduction, acts on এখানে হবে অপশন বি anterior pituitary gland and stimulates secretion of LH and FSH. In Bougainvillea trans are the modification of stem. Which one from those given below the period from Mendel hybridization experiments? 1856 থেকে 1863, 7 বছর, এটা সবাই মনে রাখবে। Good vision depends on adequate intake of carotene-rich food. Select the best option from the following statement. Vitamin A derivatives are found from carotene. The photopigments are embedded in the membranes discs of the inner segment. Retinal is a derivative of vitamin A. Retinal is a light absorbing part of all visual photopigment. এখানে অপশন বি 1, 3 ও 4। Which one of the following statement is not valid for aerosol? They cause increased agricultural productivity. A disease is blood pressure. A disease in blood pressure volume will not cause the release of arterial nutrient factor. Homozygous pure lines in cattle can be obtained by mating of related individuals of same breed. The vascular cambium normally gives rise to secondary xylem. Which of the following statement is correct? The ascending lip of loop in Henle is impressible of water. The descending lip of loop of Henle is impermeable of water. The ascending limb of loop of Henle is permeable of water. The descending limb of loop of Henle is permeable to electrolytes. Option A. The ascending limb of loop of Henle is impermeable of water. Fruits and leaves drops at early stage can be prevented by the application of auxins. A baby boy aged 2 years is admitted to play school and passes through a dental checkup. The dentist observed that the boy had 20 teeth. Which teeth were absent? Premolar. An important characteristic that hemichordates share with chordates is pharynx with gill slit. পিডিএফটা ভালো হয়নি। Artificial selection of obtained cows yielding higher milk output represented. Now option B, directional as its pushes the mane of the character in one direction. Select the correct route for the passage of sperms in male fox. Testis, vasa efferentia, kidney, Binder canal, urinogenital duct, cloaca. Which of the following option best represents the enzyme compositions of pancreatic juice? Lipase, amylase, trypsinogen, procarboxypeptidase. Option D. Phosphonyl pyruvate (PEP) is the primary CO2 acceptor in C4 plants. The morphological nature of the edible part of coconut is endosperm. Anaphase promoting complex APC is a protein degradation machinery necessary for proper mitosis of animal cell. In APC is defective in a human cell. Which of the following is expected to occur? Option C, chromosome will not segregate. Malt constitute about 50% present of lymphoid tissue in human body. Receptor site for neurotransmitters are present on option D, post synaptic membrane. Hypersecretion of growth hormone in adult does not cause further increase in height because epiphyseal plates close after adolescence. Alexander von Humboldt described for the first time species area relationship. Myelin sheath is produced by Schwann cells and oligodendrocytes. In case of couple where the male is having a very low sperm count, which technique will be suitable for fertilization? Artificial insemination. Which of the following components provides sticky character to the bacterial cell? Glycocalyx. DNA replication is bacteria occur prior of fission. The function of copper ions in copper releasing IUD is they suppress sperm motility and fertilizing capacity of sperms. Which of the following is in Swage treatment removes suspended solids? Primary treatment. The water potential of pure water is 0. Identify the wrong statement in content of hardwood. A number. Organic compounds are deposited in it. It is highly durable. It conducts water and mineral efficiently. It compares dead element with highly lignified walls. It conducts water and minerals efficiently. Thalassemia and sickle cell anemia are caused due to a problem in globin molecule synthesis. Select the correct statement. Both are due to qualitative defect is globin chain synthesis. Both are due to a quantitative defect in globin chain synthesis. Thalassemia is due to less synthesis of globin molecules. Sickle cell anemia is due to a quantitative problem of globin molecule. Option C. Thalassemia is due to less synthesis of globin molecules. Flowers which have single ovule in the ovary and are packed into inflorescence are usually pollinated by wind. তোমরা ভিডিওটি নিচে সাবস্ক্রাইব